Now, mark your answer on your answer sheet.
G. You have 10 seconds to read the situation and question number 22.
This is the WICU morning traffic report. Things are moving smoothly overall in the east part of the city, but there have been some major tie-ups in the west. If you're on Bloor Street and planning to get on Highway 401, be advised that the area is experiencing heavy traffic, so you may be better off taking Davis Avenue instead. In addition, there's been a major collision on the Mackenzie Freeway near the Bloor Street exit that's obstructing traffic in both directions. Many drivers are pulling off the freeway and onto Westminster Boulevard, so traffic has slowed to a crawl there as well. If you're headed downtown, getting onto Lakeshore Drive is probably your best bet. From there, you can get onto Mackenzie past the area affected by the accident. That's all for now. We'll be back in 20 minutes with another update.
Now, mark your answer on your answer sheet.
H. You have 10 seconds to read the situation and question number 23.
We carry a few models for kids under 12. Over here is the top tablet. It's a big seller among parents of 5 to 17. And it's being used more and more in kindergarten classrooms. It comes with a range of apps and games, but it can't connect to the internet. So there are limits to how useful your son will find when he gets too old. The top tablet Pro, however, has full internet